We're now going to do a demonstration of CeramClean 2 on an Anilox roll. The way to apply CeramClean 2 is to take a wet sponge or a damp cloth onto the dirty Anilox area, apply a silver dollar amount, spread it around, make sure that you then put the roll into rotation, continue working the CeramClean 2 into the roll. You can apply more at the back side while the roll is still in rotation. Let the roll make several revolutions around, and you can move the sponge to apply the CeramClean 2. The next step is to agitate the ink using a stainless steel brush. You do this by working it in a circular motion. Again, make sure it makes a revolution around or several. If you need to, you can add some water. You're looking for the CeramClean 2 to agitate the ink in the cells. And you'll notice this when it starts to set up at the surface. You can apply more water to begin to neutralize the cleaner. This is very important that the chemical cleaner you use is neutralized with water. And if it's in your regulations, you can also use alcohol when drying the Anilox roller. Next, you can start wiping the roll off to begin drying the roll. After this process, your Anilox roller is now ready for next use or storage.